Hey there, Adam Ouellette, attorney and founder of Esquire Academy. I'm also author of Raising the Bar, the book for lawyers. You're here with me today, and I want to talk with you about life purpose and whether your life purpose involves the law or not. This is a question that a lot of us grapple with, but the first question I want to ask you is, what do you love? What do you love about the law? I created a challenge for lawyers called Love the Law Challenge, and we'll talk about it at the end. The other thing that you can start to do is take a look at what you love in life. Because if there's something that you love in life, it's something that could really drive your passions for creating a new career or connecting with what you love about the legal profession and what you love about being a lawyer. But do you love being a lawyer? That's the next question. Some of us do, some of us don't. The fact is we all have certain gifts that we're given, and some of them align and jive with the law and some of them don't. If most of your gifts don't align with being a lawyer, then maybe it's time to take a look at leaving the profession, and there's ways to do that. But our gifts are so important to us, and you should really start to utilize those gifts in anything you're doing. What do you read about? What kind of hobbies do you have? What engages you in life in general? Those are some of the other things to look at in terms of, well, maybe I want to leave the law, and what could I do outside of the law? Next, what are you passionate about? This is another big topic that people outline when they do consulting with attorneys that want to leave the law. What drives you in your life? It's just another way of saying, what do you love? Let me tell you a little bit about my story. Early on, I really didn't like the profession. Even into my first year, I realized something was going wrong here. The profession has kind of lost its track and its path. And one of the things I did was write the book, Raising the Bar, to help you as a lawyer grow in the profession and help us shift the profession. But aside from that, I started looking at what I really love to do within the law. And so I'm here 17 years later, and throughout those 17 years, little by little, especially over the past 5 to 8 years, I really started doing more of what I loved in my day-to-day work. And what was I doing? Well, before I was doing lots of closings, I was doing lots of paperwork, which I really didn't like paperwork. Now, I was very good at closings, and I was doing litigation, which I ended up getting out of because I really didn't like other attorneys all that much, to tell you the truth, because I could just sense and tell that most of them were out for their own pocketbook, their own wallet, and not their client. And so I couldn't jive with that part of it. But I started looking at, what do I love about being in the law? And I really loved the business aspects of it. I loved doing the marketing. I loved getting out, meeting people, connecting with people, creating spheres of influence that would send me business to my law firm and my title companies and stuff like that. And so as I went on, I found a way to really love what I was doing. Now, there was something else calling me on the other side of that, to share all the stuff that I've learned from all these books that I've read in the seminars, and just share how I was able to reduce my stress and learn how to meditate and grow an amazing business that was a law practice and make a really good living at the same time. So there are ways for you to do the same. Either connect with your passion in the law, or find some ex-lawyers out there that can guide you, because there are people that have been lawyers that have found a way to be out of the law into a career that they really love, and they can help you with that. And if you need a referral, I have a friend, his name is Casey Berman, leavelawbehind.com. He's a great one. Check out his website. He's got some articles, and he'll get you started on thinking about that. Further, there's some coaches to guide you in your career as a lawyer. If you want to really make the most of it, there's coaches and consultants and trainers, and there's training like I provide at esquireacademy.com. If you like this video and you're not signed up for my videos, check out more videos at esquireacademy.com. Check out my blog, and once you sign up, you'll get all these videos that I'm pumping out, usually one a week, and you'll get them directly to your inbox before anybody else gets them. Further, I alluded to the possibilities of loving the law. I've set up this Esquire Challenge. Check out esquirechallenge.com. 2.5 hours of content for you. I do a deep dive into some of the topics that are covered in my book, Raising the Bar. There's the 10 steps to awakening, as I call them, for you to awaken to your best abilities as a lawyer, and also stuff like creating marketing online, doing video online, automating your law practice, and the like. There is a ton of content waiting there for you at EsquireChallenge.com. Check it out. It's all free, no obligation. If this stuff doesn't jive for you and you're not aligned with it, just unsubscribe. It's not a big deal, but I'm doing this because my mission is to help other lawyers find their path, find their way in the law or out of the law. Either way, I want you to have the life you've always dreamt of. This is Adam Ouellette. I appreciate you spending time with me today, and we will talk to you soon in a new video. Take care.